Okay, I was recommended this breakthrough mastery course by a very good friend of mine. That is something that really hit me, supercharged. I like the word, but unfortunately, I've been suffering. Me and my son both have been battling with our minds and suffering from so much of mental chaos, you can say, so much of depression, bouts, anxiety, stress. So we were suffering a lot, not knowing how to handle and cope with our life. And I decided to join. I was having financial crisis, but I decided to invest on myself and my son because this was the only hope we had. The only hope we had left to cope with our minds, which were staying with a lot of brain fog, anxiety, depression. Everybody goes through that, I know. But we were not able to handle it. It just shut. My mind just stopped. It just ceased to operate. And I decided, I just shut the laptop, without even closing it. I just shut it and I said, that's it, I'm done with it. I am in no condition to interact with so many strangers. And I had come here thinking that Skip is going to teach us a way to fight our mind and come out of it. And it was not done. I said, no, this is not for me. And on an impulse, I just sent a message to James, who's assists in the team with Skip. And to my surprise, James was so kind and so much from his heart. He told me to trust the process, to continue the rest of the course for 2 days, and he promised me that it's going to bring a lot of change in my life. It's going to bring a lot of breakthroughs, and I'm thankful that I trusted and I listened to his advice, because I continued the next day, and as every hour unfolded, Skip came up with one thing and the other which helped me. He came up with so many things to tackle the mind, to tackle situations, and how we can disconnect with the lower frequencies and connect with the higher frequencies at a snap of a finger. Can you imagine all these powers are in us and we just don't know how to tap it? He taught us how to tap the inner power and cope with every situation. Since the breakthrough mastery, I'm not the same person. I'm totally changed person, so much in love with myself, I cannot imagine, because there was a time I hated myself. I hated being sad, and I was constantly sad. Same goes for my son. Both of us just could not handle. I cannot thank Skip enough. I have no words. I'm just trying to request those people who are struggling like us with their minds, with their lives, not knowing a way. So many are committing suicide, so many are into drug abuse. They're just not able to get out of situations which they can so easily do, like I'm doing now. Every day, every moment is full of fun, full of excitement and life. There's suddenly so much light in my life. Just go for it. Go for it. Skip, I am so thankful to you. Thank you. God bless you. I'm back here again, Sonia this side. I did Breakthrough Mastery 2.5 months back. I felt such a shift from what I was to what I became, and I recorded a video in full excitement talking about what impact it had on me, and I was very happy. Every day unfolded with more energy and more excitement, but at the back of my mind always had this fear. I could not believe that the niche that I had created for myself, living in that hellhole, the gutter that I was living under the line, as Skip mentions, I was always living below the line, always in grudge, always questioning my purpose of life and just not knowing what to do with my life. I had created that niche all these years, 50 years of my life. And at the back of my mind, even while I was recording my first video, I was thinking that, Sonia, don't get so excited. Very soon, you're going to be back in the same health. Because I just couldn't believe that this magic could happen in my life. And you know what? It's nearly 75 days now. And unbelievably, my life is going up and up, accelerating every day. I look different, I think different, I eat different, I do yoga, I do exercise, I have juice, and I choose between the hot, spicy, fast food to natural food. Skip is at the back of my mind always, guiding me. You know, this is one person who is with you constant. Even after the course, he just does not leave you. He gives so much of his energy to you that you have left with no choice but to change. So I just have no words to express. I am watching myself every day like I dreaded. I have not dipped even once. I did this course with my son, and I suggest to everybody that you should do it with your family. You know why? Because when you rise up on a higher frequency and the rest of the family is in a lower frequency, it's tough. It's even more tough. But with us doing it together, you know, when I am a little low, he lifts me up. And when he's a little low, I lift him up. So it's a fun life. And I'm able to not react to situations, but hit on life head on now. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Skip. The energy level is going on increasing. It's going on increasing, and my mind is no longer in control of my soul, myself. My mind is in my pocket, held in my hand tightly to follow my commands, to follow what I say. I just want to make it short for you, and there's so much to tell you, but you know, this is before Breakthrough Mastery. This is a wheel of life, which Skip, it's an exercise which he asked us to do a few days back. It is about stress mastering, relationship, finances, work, play, health, what else? Environmental challenges, life purpose, self-esteem, spirituality, and nutrition, exercise. So can you see? I don't know whether you can see it or not, but everything is low in percentage. Do you want to see now? Well, here it is. Wheel of Life. Oh, this is 14th July. I made this just 1 month after I did the Breakthrough Mastery. Can you see the difference? Here, wait, let me show you. Here, stress mastery is 20%, and here it's 85%. Can you see the shift? It's unbelievable. Just go for it. Just don't think, don't think what it's going to give you. You got to be hungry. Let me tell you got to be hungry. I was hungry for a change in my life. I was fed up of not smiling, fed up of not being happy in any situation. With my friends, never happy. With my relatives, never happy. With my family, never happy. It was crazy life I was leading, you know. So now just see. Stress mastering 85, 80%, 60, 100, 90, 85, 90, 100, 100, 100, 75. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. Thank you, Skip. This is heaven on earth. You brought us to heaven on earth. I'm just oozing out with energy. You know, the whole day I've been working. I've been having demos on Zoom meetings, and I've been busy, but my energies are supercharged without your superfoods. And I'm waiting for the superfoods. Soon I'm going to have it. Thank you so much. Bye.